So I want to set up the health slider to, not the health slider, I want to set up the XP slider to have levels. So one of the variables I want to create, so I've got health mana XP, and I'm going to do another public int XP level equal to 1. And then we'll scroll down here to after reset to last checkpoint, and I'll create a function void next XP level. Okay, so how do I want to build this? Well, I honestly want to look at how I built it last week or last semester and find out. So give me one moment. Saving in structure notes, game design week 2 of 2. Health potions, mana potions, low dash checkpoints. Yes, yes. Holy cow, look at all this fancy stuff. It doesn't look like I have levels here yet, so I'm going to skip ahead some. XP check. Oh, okay. All right, so I have this XP check function. I'll zoom in here. If XP is greater than UI.XPSlider.maxValue. Okay, so by default, our health slider has a min value of 0 and a max value of 100. So the XP value is the same way. The XP slider at the bottom has a min value of maybe 1 and a max value of 100. And so if your current XP is 105, then it would be greater than 100. 105 is greater than 100. And so this is where we level up. And we say level plus plus, and we say UI.XPSlider.minValue equals the current UI.XPSlider.maxValue. So now the slider minimum is 100, and the UI.XPSlider.maxValue times equals 2. So every level is twice as many XP points as before. And that's pretty common. Usually it'll taper off when you get into StarCraft. It gets real fancy, right? But you just give the player a lot of XP, and it just slows down over time. You get diminishing returns. So this is the code that I want to build, because that's real simple and I love it. So if XP is greater than XP slider, is that what I named it? What did I name my slider? Oh, I probably had something else. So UI controller dot, oh no. I suppose this might be in a different script.
Yeah, we found the sliders by using find canvas.
Right. I'm trying to say that I'll probably put update in here, or every time this gets updated, public void set XP. Yeah, I'll probably say put my check in here. So I am in UI controller now. I'm going to take that code out of... Oh, dang it. This is going to be confusing. I'm never going to get to eat my sandwich.
Nope. I'll have to wait till noon like the rest of us.
I mean, you could have to wait.
Think.
Okay, so I'm gonna write this on the back
whiteboard. So I have two things, right? I have player controller, and it controls XP. It also probably should control XP level, because player controller will want to deal with XP level. Because we built it so that our fight function would be based around this XP level. Do y'all remember that? Yeah, setting player level if XP is greater than 300. Right? This was kind of a stopgap way to do it. We'll probably build an actual XP level and compare it there. But our slider bars are controlled by UI controller. I'm listening.
Oh no, just a way. Well, everyone grew up on Minecraft basically, and you know how that XP bar basically just goes on forever.
You mean the levels
The
go
level
forever?
system,
Sure,
yeah.
yeah.
A way you could do that is when XP hits max value, take the max value, multiply it by 2, and set the XP back down to 0. Yeah, or add a double of what the previous one was. That way you wouldn't have to set up each individual level by.
I don't hate that. That's pretty simple. So the idea he's saying is saying every time XP equals 100, make XP equal to 0 and XP level plus plus. Right? Just reset XP and just use the same 0 to 100 the whole time. If we did that, then we wouldn't have to deal with UI controller and XP slider, and we could just have all of it in player controller.
Yeah, and XP amount can equal leveled or 100 times XP level.
Or we could just leave it at 100.
Yeah.
I think Minecraft does that too.
No, it doesn't.
No?
I know. Cause
Yeah, I guess you're right. You're right. Yeah, okay. But we're gonna leave
Yeah,
it.
I know. I'm
We'll
making
be all right.
it more complicated than it is when it's like quality of life stuff for me.
No, it's fun. This is the video game development that we like, is the fancy stuff. Okay. So the idea is that if XP is greater than 100, subtract 100 from that number for XP and add 1 to the level.
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Okay, so we already have a update UI function, and I think we should set it here. So if XP is greater than 100, XP minus equals 100, and XP level plus plus.
Still sounds like a rubber chicken.
That dying rubber chicken.
That is simple and elegant. Thank you, Logan.
How would you just say set XP to 0? Is it just equals 0 or?
Equals 0.
Okay, now the double levels.
Correct. Double equals is a test.
Okay, so minus equals is a test or
That's an assignment.
that's a.
It's called a combined assignment operator. I'll show you the example. Okay, so look up right up here. So the question is, what the hell is going on with double equals versus minus equals? What is going on there? Is that a test? This right here is the same as saying XP is equal to XP minus 100. You can't just do XP minus 100 because that would give you a number, but you don't do anything with it. So this is assigning XP is now equal to itself minus 100, but it shoves it together in one combined assignment, the minus and the equals.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's always been a point of confusion for me.
Yeah.
Also, I ended up getting this weird effect where it was equals minus 100 instead of minus equals.
And that worked?
No, it completely broke. I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, all right.
I'm not sure why that messes it up so much. Okay, signal equals is an assignment. That confuses or clears up a bit of confusion with my coding. What kind of sandwich is that? I'm sorry, mine just.
Yeah.
Sidetracked.
Sausage, egg, and cheese on an English muffin.
Oh, nice.
It's like $2.50 in the. $2.50. It's just a shit ton of food. It's great. They just stopped serving at 10:30.
I might be a bit late to classes from now on.
Did you have a question, Elijah?
So like the test, what does it do, like, other than decide, like, what's...
So here's the test, right? If 5 equals 5.
Okay.
That's the test.
Alright.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I was trying to figure out how to word it. Huh.
Yep.
You know, if we did the increasing level cap, I could just use XP equals 0 whenever I go into the next level then. Okay.
Do we need XP check since we put it in?
So XP check will change, right? If we're talking about attack.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. If we're talking here, I think we have an int now, XP level. So we'll basically just check. I think I'm probably just going to build it like this. Int player level equals XP level. And then I'm just going to comment out these 2 lines. And that'll be the easiest way to do that. Y'all play around with it for a minute. Let me eat my sandwich. I don't know. That might be everything. Maybe I'll kick y'all out early. Not kick y'all out, but let y'all just work on the assignment. Here's the assignment. And then I'll go back to the code. 3 checkpoints. Save their data. Health, mana, XP level, player position. Added code to load the same when the player died. Yes. Okay, I haven't added that code. Y'all get to add that code. Add a starting checkpoint as part of your assignment. Add code to save health potions and mana potions. Okay, so this here is homework that you get to do. I will come back and answer questions as soon as I'm done with my sandwich. Does that sound fair?
Can I say no?
You can. You can absolutely say no. I'm still going to do it.
Yeah. So what I suppose say doesn't matter.
Anything before I go? I asked Dan, he's got it.
Yeah, like rude. Okay.
Also, by the way, 3DS Max never opened.
Wait,
I accidentally clicked 3DS Max somehow, and so it started to open the attachment thing.
Did it just quit?
And it never opened, and then I accidentally opened it again, and it just never opened again.
well, maybe you pulled the. So last Tuesday, we're doing. Wait, were you here for this?
Last Tuesday.
Are you taking virtual reality?
No.
Okay, last Tuesday we're in the virtual reality class, and he's trying to create a lever. Just pull down.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh no.
he's doing this. I watched him because I wanted to see where he goes with this. And he pulls the lever. Well, as soon as he pulls the lever, Unity crashes. Just crashes. It immediately shuts down. We try to reopen it. He gets an error message. I can't remember what it is. So we're like, okay, that's not good. Call Fox over. He's never seen this error before, and he doesn't know what to do either.
Good thing I don't use this with the DS Max.
Yes. So we keep working. We keep trying to find it and say, okay, let's just make sure Unity still works.
And does it?
We open a new scene. Exact same error.
Uh-oh.
Thomas somehow managed to crash the entire program on that computer. All because he pulled the wrong lever.
What a god. The lever was really just a kill switch.
No, his name was Kronk.
Yeah. Right.
That's such a good movie.
Yes.
It is.
No, it's because I made that joke to him. I said, pull the lever, and he literally yelled, wrong lever! Okay. this go? Where's my coding? Desktop.
When if you reload your level, I'm trying to make it so that you have an infinite number of levels that you can get, and then when
it's
you
all for that part. Could you go to
well, what I'm doing is trying to do
Oh.
is so like when I hit a checkpoint, it will put me back to the level that I was at that checkpoint, and then also set it so that the min and max is covered, while also having infinite possibility of levels rather than
Well, I'm gonna put my little bad guys at 5.
Perfect. I am much restored. I see Dan left. I didn't expect it to be that quick, but that was great. I'm not still recording, am I? Yep, I am.